guys, in this video I'm going to show you guys this is silly here, to show my small squishy collection because I love my squishy, and this is where I store my squishies. It's got eye bloom in it, and yeah. And if you guys know, I got a squishy package coming up soon from KaiSquishy.com, from Instagram, so make sure to check him or her out. But anyways, I'm going to question you guys. You like this place? Yeah? You like this place where I'm filming now or not? Please comment down below if you like it. If you like it, I will be stay in this place for all my video next time. So yeah. So let's get started. Okay, for the first, I have my pink bow panda buns. Yeah, panda buns. Then I have a green tea ice cream. Maybe this is a medium squishy collection, I don't know. This is the medium squishy collection. And I have this croissant that's very soft. Then I have this turtle. I have this burger. I have this apple. I bloom apple. I left the card at my grandma's house. Mini I bloom peach. This is the Pearl series one. The Gudetama steam bun. The Pearl series Cafe Dien donut. And this is the replica one. Then the capybara sunloaf. And there's a tag. Then I have this girl toast. Then this chocolate ice cream, very soft and voila, long baguette, and this is like more longer than my head, and it's kind of the same long of my arms, so armpits. Yeah. And I have this penman bun. Then I have this onsen bun, burger bun. Then I have this panda toast. What is toast? And it says from Animal Toast, and I don't know what is this thing. In this apple blossom strass ball. Here's the tag. The mini bakery loaf. Which I already have some experiment with this. This pink tofu with no ball chain. This yellow tofu, again no ball chain or dust plug. The dead face one, I got this from Strawberry. Got a ton of face bun, but because I boil it for fun with my cousin the last time, because I bake back home at my grandma's house, so I boil it and the face is kind of coming off. But it's very squishy, and I cut it with my cousins because they want to use this for homemade squishy, but I can't. And this is the replica toast one, and this is the replica of Ayama Tokyo, and it still got the tag Love Toast. And here's the menu tag. And this semi brand new pancake pumpkin, and I left this semi tag and some kind of thing. What is that called? That Lucio and Sammy have ball chain. Yeah, ball chain. Yeah, I lose the ball chain and the tag, and I use it self-lum stretch. Off is popped out, but yeah. Then I have this minion cake rolls. It's very squishy. I have the tag, but someone's took it. Like I told you in my King Court squishies, my friends took it, and I think the tag kind of stuck to her bag when she took it, so there's no tag anymore. It's only self-lum stretch, but I still like it. I still love them as air bubbles. Can you see that? A lot of air bubbles in here. Air bubbles popped. Yeah. Kurlakama cream puff. Kurlakama cream puff. Kurlakama cream puff. Replica peach that my mom buy it for me without telling me, so it's kind of surprised. I like oh my god, you bring a squishy. Did you buy iBloom peach? Because my mommy don't know what iBloom peach is, so my mommy kind of yes, because it's still a peach. But I'm really excited. But when I open it, oh, regular peach. Thank you. It's not a surprise. Daisy Duck Hump Toast. Crackling Toys. Or Crackling Squish. Again, the tag is no tag, because again, my friend took it and maybe it's stuck, so no tag anymore. The croissants, yeah, it's got her name in it. Yes, definitely she took it. 2 times of this. The croissant is 2 times she took it. Fake cruller donut squishies. In burger, more burger, but this is the most dense one with the burger. Cheese donut. Maybe this is the cheese donut with mustard and ketchup. Maybe this is the burger version, so I like it so much because I love burger. Or hot dog. I love hot dog too. Ice cream cone, and this is the strawberry one because I love strawberry. And it's defacted. I have this eclair. So lots of squishies. And this vomit bun. And I know I have 3 of this bun, but I think someone took it, but not this girl. She named it again, she took it. And that is the Twinkie face one. I don't know whose took it this, because I don't know used to get that. So now I'm only have 2 of this bun. This is the first one. Yeah, this is the bun one. This is the Bravos bun, and she named it again. Yeah, again and again. And this too. And she named it again. Kayla. I call her Sissy Kayla. And then this donut. This is the kissy face one. I have this too. And more names. This more face, but this is the untoast one. And more names. Yes, more names. Then this strawberry dipped sprinkles, honey sprinkles, and I love this. This is the texture very good. This I love kitty sandwich. Oh, this is upside down. After I play with the console. And can you feel it? I need to open it for you guys. And it feels amazing. And I take out the sandwich bread. One is the chocolate one. Sorry, lighting is bad because it is nighttime. I am after go in the dentist because my sister again braces. If you don't know, guys, my sister next time I'm going to make video with her. And I have this waffle, Hello Kitty waffle. Guy Blue Tiger. Sorry, I'm not correct saying this. The egg bun. This is the real coma one. Sorry, the tag is kind of like this because I love stretching it. Tough on stretch. Real coma bun is the replica one. Again, more names. This is the green tea one. Lucy the Passetier macaron, no tag, I don't know, maybe it's stuck to her back because she is, took this too. Okay, I'm going to start showing you two in one clip. So this is the smiley face and this is the tongue sticking out. This is the love cake, and this is the melon buns fake raspberry donut that I made with myself. Lime donut, and this is the frosting lime one. The green one is smells like lime, so love it. Yeah, this is the Minnie Mouse in the thing the squishy thing that someone made for me. Capybara squeeze toy, Hello Kitty donut, steam bun thing, and this, and done. Okay, that's all. Squishy collection is about 61 squishies that I have. Yeah, I know it, guys. It's only a little bit, but thank you guys so much for watching, and bye.